کیا مصیبت ہے تمہیں؟ What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? زندگی کیسے گزر رہی ہے؟ How is life going? How is life going? تم کہاں تھے؟ Where have you been? Where have you been? سب ٹھیک تو ہے نا؟ Is everything alright? Is everything alright? تم یہاں کیوں ہو؟ Why are you here? Why are you here? میرا مطلب یہ نہیں تھا. I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. سب ٹھیک ہے. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. کیا جلدی ہے؟ What is the rush? What is the rush? دوبارہ کہنا. Say it again. Say it again. اتنی جلدی کیوں؟ Why such a hurry? Why such a hurry? آپ کا کیا مطلب ہے؟ What do you mean? What do you mean? کیا ہو رہا ہے؟ What is going on? What is going on? میں وعدہ کرتا ہوں. I promise. I promise. If you want to learn more sentences, stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel.